It's that super bowl, no, she on the flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that
For 2019, Lancer will get a new entrance finish design with directed functioning lamps. The interior proceeds to generally are enhanced for 2016, obtaining a reworked reassure and spiffier trim. Various forward of time optionally readily available usefulness capabilities are at present common. There is, in addition, a further Lancer SEL reduces with cowhide seating. Performance levers. The turbocharged Ralliart design has long been resigned. The Mitsubishi's outside-the-house type is among its most stunning attributes. In spite of its age group, this small car, even so, seems sharp, applying its nose area down, tail up sporty placement. We precisely these when furnished with a rear spoiler, really do not rigidity. It is considering additional unobtrusive in comparison to the youngster razor wing embellished on preceding Evos. Basis styles of the 2019 Mitsubishi Lancer Rumors transfer on new 16-inch 2-sculpt alloy tires, even though higher layouts get 18-inch alloy tires. Ideal Series SEL models have a chrome beltline. The Mitsubishi Lancer 2019 capitalizes on its inside of measurements, delivering extraordinary space in most seating rows. Headroom and back-end legroom is especially liberal for this faculty. Be that as it may possibly, in fact, trunk spot space is just standard. The sprint structure is shockingly athletic. The hooded gauges, complete controls, and sensible demanding might have a gander at your house in a small all-around performance vehicle. 2019's plusher seat textures and deep sparkle go significantly to boost the condition of views. When the inside of seems to be as a tremendous amount much better than any person might have predicted, specifically the similar cannot be stated in a way it feels. There are nevertheless a lot of restricted, straightforward surfaces and bare plastics. Most challengers have a comparatively refined come to feel inside of, without the need of a question, even just in top-rated situation. The 2019 Mitsubishi Lancer's 5 Tourist with dreary and dated hard plastic supplies. Negligible manages alongside with controls that never telescope are what you are going to should lead in Mitsubishi's minor vehicle. Among a few of high places is the now regular 6.1-inch field display exposed that regulates appearabilities as very well as the optional route framework. We believe that in you like darkish, as that is the principle within shading obtainable, no matter if or not you operate employing the common material seats or out there calfskin. The back again seats overlap in a 60-40 breakup for integrated load adaptability.